Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the daily, we got this first push down with a breaker structure, so this is obviously either an A or 1. It looks to me like a complete three-way pullback, possibly for either a wave B or a wave 2. Now, gold does love to make these more complex patterns, so this could just be like an A, and then it does this, and then it goes up and does this, and then later on does something like this. So we do have to keep that in mind that gold does like to make these, more complex corrections. But to me, it looks like it possibly ended a wave B or wave 2, and if it is, then it should continue down like this for a C, which would look like this, or maybe like this for a 3, which would eventually turn into a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 of wave A. So overall, because of this break of structure to the downside and the three waves up that we already have, I am definitely very, very bearish until the market tells me otherwise. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think that our most recent structure now is down here. If it breaks above there, then great. We'll start looking for longs. And like I was saying in last night's PM video, this could be like an expanding or a running flat, which means it could do this, make a lower high and go down, or possibly go up and take out the highs and then reject it and go down like that for like an expanding or a running ABC correction. But for me personally, I would be very cautious with the counter trend moves. It can literally just go up, grab liquidity from this high and just bam right back down, which is why I am definitely recommending shorts in a downtrend every single chance we get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.